Hello everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today we are going to discuss the immunity in physiology. Yes, what is immunity, everyone? Immunity means what? It is an ability. It is a capability of the body to fight against the pathogenic effects. Yes, to fight against the pathogen that may come from outside or inside. Yes, it is a capacity of the body to resist pathogenic agents. It is an immunity. So, the immunity is divided into two types, broadly classified into two types. What are they? The innate immunity and acquired immunity. Yes, innate immunity is non-specific. It is generally presented, whereas acquired is very specific. Yes, acquired is specific and innate immunity is present from birth. Is innate immunity present from birth, whereas acquired is developed after birth. Innate immunity in inborn capacity of body to resist pathogen. Yes, it is a inborn capacity to resist pathogen, whereas acquired it is a resistance developed by the body against specific pathogens, against specific foreign body like bacteria, virus and toxins, whereas non-specific is developed, it is from birth. Yes, it is present from birth. Now, the innate immunity, what is its function? It eliminates foreign organism by developing a disease. Main point, it develops the disease to eliminate foreign organism. Whereas the acquired immunity, the lymphocytes are responsible in this type. See, in innate immunity, to eliminate any organism, any disease is developed. Yes, and it is a first line of defense. Yes, it is a first line of defense, whereas acquired is a second line of defense, based on which the acquired immunity is divided into two types. Again, it is classified into cellular and humoral type of immunity, about which we will discuss in the next lecture. Yes, now there are two main components involved in the immunity. Yes, there are two main components involved in the immunity. What are they? They are antigen and the antibody. They are antigen and the antibody. Antigen is what? It is a substance that induces immune reaction. Yes, antigen, it is a substance which induces, which will be the reason to produce immunity. When antigen entering the body and immune reaction starts. So antigen is a substance which induces specific immune reaction in the body. So antigens are of two types, self antigen and non-self antigen. Self antigen are also known as auto antigen. Why? They are presented inside own cell. Yes, they are presented in the own cell, present on the body's own cell, hence known as self antigen or auto antigen. Example is what? A antigen and B antigen are present on the RBC. These are the examples for auto antigen. Whereas non-self antigen, there are also known as foreign antigen. Why? They enter from outside. They are foreign. They are foreign to the body. Yes, they may be bacteria, they may be virus, there may be a toxin. Yes, that is not produced by body but from external. Now, what are foreign? They enter from outside. Yes, they present on the membranes of microbes. Yes, they present on the, this is a microbe, they present on the membrane of the microbe. Toxins from the microbes. Microbes releases some toxins that are also considered as foreign antigens. Now, based on which the antigens are again divided into two types. Yes, which induce development of immunity. Yes, antigens are the substances which induce immunity. That antigens are immunogenicity. That reaction is known as immunogenicity. Whereas the antigen which react with specific antibody and produces allergic reaction is known as allergic reactivity. What are the two reactions we have seen? Immunogenicity and allergic reactivity. What is immunogenicity? The antigen which produces, the process which produces development of immunity or production of antibodies is known as immunogenicity, whereas production of allergic reaction is known as allergic reactivity. And now, what is antibody? Antibodies are also known as immunoglobulins. These are globulins. Yes, these are the globulins. Immunoglobulins. These are the proteins. Yes, these are the proteins that is produced by B lymphocytes. Yes, these are the proteins that is produced by the B lymphocytes. Now, these are 5 types. What are they? A, IgA, IgD, IgE, IgG, IgM. Immunoglobulin is represented by Ig, whereas there are 5 types of antibodies: antigen A and antibody A, antibody D, antibody E, antibody G, and antibody M. Yes, in short, you can remember this as GAMDE. Yes. Now, let's see the structure. What is the structure of antibody? Yes, the structure of antibody containing 2 long chains and 2 short chains. Yes, 2 long chains and the 2 short chains. See, it is formed by 2 pairs of chains. 2 pairs of chains. A pair of heavy chain. A pair of heavy chain containing 420 amino acids. Containing 420 amino acid, whereas pair of light chain containing 220 amino acids. Yes, it containing heavy chain and light chain. Heavy chain containing 420 amino acid and light chain containing 220 amino acid. Now, the antibody containing 2 regions. One is constant region, one is variable region. Yes, one is constant, one is variable. Yes, it is an antibody. So, what is immunity? As I said, it is a capability, it is a capacity of body to resist pathogenic agent. Yes, now it is divided into innate immunity and acquired immunity. Whereas innate immunity is non-specific. Yes, and acquired is very specific. Innate immunity is present from birth, whereas acquired is developed by body against specific foreign bodies. Yes, the antigen. What is antigen? It is a substance that induces immune reaction. Yes, it is a substance that induces immune reaction based on which it is a 2 types: self antigen, non-self antigen. Self antigen is present inside the body. Example: antigen A and B antigen, A antigen present on the RBC. Whereas non-self antigen are the foreign antigen that enter from outside. Yes, there are 2 types of reaction based on it: immunogenicity and allergic reactivity, which induces development of immunity or production of antibodies. It is known as immunogenicity, where there is production of allergic reaction, that is known as allergic reactivity. And antibodies are also known as immunoglobulins. These are the proteins which are developed from B lymphocytes. There are 5 main types of antibodies. These are antibody A, antibody D, antibody E, antibody G, antibody M. Immunoglobulins they are also. The structure containing 2 pairs of chain, pair of heavy chain, pair of light chain. Heavy chain containing 420 amino acids, whereas light chain containing 220 amino acid, and the antibody structure containing constant region and variable region. This is the immunity, basic concept of immunity. Apart from this, we are going to discuss cellular and humoral immunity, which are the type of acquired immunity, in the further classes. Yes, this is the basic concept of immunity. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Namaste.